Hi y'all, welcome back. So today recipe is mango habanero wings, okay? Made in the air fryer. Oh my god. All right, look at this goodness. Way hot, spicy, delicious. Let's go ahead and get to the recipe. So I'm seasoning my chicken wings. I'm using the party wings that I cut in half. So I'm seasoning my chicken wings with some garlic and herbs marinade from Lori's, about 2 teaspoon of my favorite all-purpose chicken seasoning from BJ's, and a little bit of cumin, like about a half a teaspoon, some chili, about a teaspoon of chili powder, and of course some garlic and herb dry seasoning. That was about a teaspoon. The thing was almost done. And some black pepper, some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, but use whatever you got, okay? I'm just fancy sometimes. Some garlic powder, which is not necessary, to be honest with you. I'm not so big on using garlic powder like that because it really doesn't do none to your food. To me, I like to use real garlic, real fresh garlic, okay? So go ahead and also add in some Montreal chicken seasoning with some olive oil to marinate. Go ahead and stir it. Oh, and of course, either lime juice or orange juice, whatever that you gotta add it to your poultry, your meats, your fish, okay? That's just the Haitian way. Always gotta add that acidity to your poultry, whatever that you add to it. And now go ahead and make sure everything is evenly coated, and then set it aside for a little bit, about an hour, whatever you got. And let's go ahead and make the sauce, the mango habanero sauce. Second thought, let's put the chicken in the air fryer because it's gonna take some time to cook, and the sauce doesn't take that long to make. So let's go ahead and bring your chicken to the air fryer. You can use oven bake. You can bake it if you want, or you can fry it if you're feeling nasty. I wanted to fry mine, but I gotta make better choices. And I actually like air fryer, using cooking my chicken wings in the air fryer. You still got that little bit of yeah, I like it in the air fryer. I mean, I would 100% prefer fried, honestly. But hey, 2021, we're making better choices, healthier choices. So go ahead and air fry your chicken wings, okay? That thing in the little bowl over there is red wine, because I had some little fruit flies flying around, and if you put that there, it will attract them. Anyway, so for the sauce, we're using red bell pepper, onion, purple onion, mango, garlic, ginger, habanero peppers, orange and red, or just orange or just red, whatever you got. Some fresh cilantro, distilled vinegar. Yes, go ahead. So now we're gonna go ahead and grill it for a little bit because I want that little taste, but that's not necessary. It's totally optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But this is how I like it. It tastes so much better like that. So go ahead and grill those vegetables: the peppers, the onion, the garlic, the ginger, the shallots. Yes, go ahead and grill it until you get that beautiful color in the back. I just want that little smoky flavor. Honestly, I wish I had a charcoal grill because this would have been motherfucking heaven, okay? Anyways, yes. Oh, it's so yummy, so delicious. So go ahead and grill that for a couple of minutes, and then after that, go ahead and remove it from the grill. Transfer it to your pan because we're gonna cook it. We're gonna make sure everything is softened, perfectly softened, before we blend it, because we want that silky texture. So I added about a cup of distilled vinegar, white distilled vinegar, and I am adding about half a cup of sour orange juice, or some people call it bitter orange juice, which I don't know why it's called bitter, because it's not actually bitter, just sour. A little bit of olive oil, some fresh thyme, some black pepper. We want the sauce to be tasty, okay? It's not just gonna be hot, it's gonna be delicious also, okay? Some cumin for flavor, some all-purpose chicken seasoning for extra flavor, and a little bit of salt, honey, because God, yes, we do need the salt, boo. Yes, add your salt. So go ahead and bring it to a boil and look at it. Let it simmer for a few minutes until everything is soft, honestly, and make sure you have a little bit of the broth left, okay? Don't let it dry all the way up because we want to blend it properly. So this is the chicken wings, almost ready. That was after 15 minutes, I believe, in the air fryer. So put it back and let it finish cooking, and flip it sides if you have to. So after your peppers being cooled, go ahead and transfer it to the blender. Mine was not cooled all the way because ain't nobody got time for that. So much time. But hey, don't do it when it's hot, like flaming hot. Just wait a little bit until it's like cool, you know, where it's good enough to blend it so no one gets hurt, injured, okay? Because we don't want you to get injured. Oh, and the mango, yes. Go ahead now and add your mango and some cilantro. The cilantro is totally optional. If you don't like cilantro, go ahead and use parsley. But I had them in my house, and cilantro goes bad so quick, and that's so annoying. So that's why I used them. But did it make it better? I don't know if it made it better, but it was really delicious, honestly. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't want to, that's fine. So that's the sauce. So normally, if you want, you can strain that sauce a little bit to get rid of some little pulp, but honestly, it's not necessary. I thought it was fine like that. It was pretty smooth, like a baby butt. Yes, it was. All right, now, so go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons to your pan. Let it melt, and after that, we're gonna add some honey. Okay, honey? Yes, honey. Add some honey. And let that butter melt, honey. Look at that, honey. Oh my God, honey. So after you've melted your butter and you added your honey, go ahead and add the mango habanero sauce in that pan. Listen, we don't measure up in here, okay? I'm Haitian. We don't do that stuff. We use our eyes and our hands, okay? So go ahead and give it a quick stir. We're not gonna let it, you know, cook too much because all that stuff is like, honestly, you could have just dipped the chicken in there in that sauce and that's it. You don't have to do all that, but you know, gotta make a little sauce to coat it with it. Okay, so add a little more, and then I had to melt the butter because I like my butter. I like butter. Yes. So now go ahead and transfer the chicken wings into that sauce. Yes. Look at it, so beautiful. Yes, honey. Look at the wings. Oh, they look so good. So good. It looked like it was fried, but honestly, it looks better than it was. Like, yeah, it looks so good. It looked like it's been fried, but it's been air fried. Get it? Oh my God. Yes, go ahead and toast that. Toast it real nice. Make sure everything is coated. When I tell you this wings, it's bomb. It's bomb. It's good. It's good. It's really good, y'all. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, okay, go ahead and hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up because I deserve 2 thumbs up. But YouTube only allow you to give me 1, so give me that one. Give that video that thumbs up. And if you like it, if you want more, subscribe. You see, this is the why I use an air fryer. You see all the fat? Yes, there's a lot of fat, but I like my fat stuff though. So this is the final product, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.